Nirupama, you are there? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
But where I should take them?
Don't know, ma'am, but no students are there.
That's what.
We'll wait here only.
But how to partition them?
Okay. No, we'll ask them. Those who have selected for UID, you be here, and
I'll share
today.
them a separate. I'll share
In
them a
which link you will
separate.
take then, ma'am?
That's what I wanted to do it separately.
Okay, but so still they have not joined only. I have shared.
Uh,
See now one by one they are joining.
uh,
Maybe sir, he did not think about elective class, so just sir has created one link.
no, but I don't have the list of. Okay, I'll send them anyway. Another link. It's Shashi has
No, ma'am.
sent. No,
Shashi
I
sir
sent.
yesterday he has sent now.
That's what I got
Uh,
that idea. I will send.
uh,
Guria, you opted for SAN, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send you separate link. You join on that. Ma'am will take UID class on this.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'll put it in the group also.
Sridev, ma'am.
Yes, Nirupama.
Sridev, ma'am.
Tell me.
You'll which link you will in which link you will take, ma'am?
I have sent already.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. In fifth sem group only you have sent, ma'am. Okay, okay. Then you put one message in the group, ma'am.
Group, that's what I'm typing. That codes are not
Okay.
type friendly, no. So,
Okay.
and we don't know whether it is G or Q.
Yes.
Sometimes when it generates, it is very fun. BQ, XKKC. I'll leave this meeting, Nirupama.
Okay, ma'am.
Students who have joined here, SAN students, you can come on to the other link. I have sent it through mail and also through WhatsApp group.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, students, I welcome all of you for your fifth semester. So luckily without exam, so based on your internal performance, you're promoted to next semester, that is fifth semester. So this is the last semester which you are going to attend theory classes. It may be online or offline. Next semester you will be having a project, so full-time project. So no need to attend any class. Only weekly you have to come to college and you have to report whatever the work you have done in the industry. So this enjoy your college days. This is the last semester you're going to enjoy. So don't bunk the classes. I'm your class teacher, so that's why I'm telling you all this. So already VT have given so much of relaxation for your attendance, for your IA marks, all that. So this semester you don't expect all those things. So attend all the classes. This is already in the proctor meeting. We have told that only today's class, only today, that is on October 1st, you have online classes, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow you have holiday. So we want students to sit right here to attend offline classes from Monday. So other, you can ask your engineering friends, other all engineering students have come to college today. Yes, students, but we again at least if you if you have not come from your native, or still you have a problem in finding PG or rooms or whatever it may be. So that's why we have given we are taking this class, today's class, online class. Okay. 31 students are there. Yes, students, this in fifth semester, this elective you have. So here you have a choice of either principles of user interface design or SAN, storage area network. So it is your wish, students. You can select, and by Monday you have to finalize whether you will be here only in UID, or you want to switch over to SAN. Here, anybody want to switch over to SAN, students? Respond, no? At least you say yes. Please respond. And I want this subject class should be interactive, students. Why? Because this is theory. I don't want only one way of conversation. Already in the last semester for fourth semester subject, I have seen for PC how much you interacted with me. Only one way communication was there. But this subject is not like your professional communication and report writing. This is very interesting subject. So before I give introduction to my subject, you tell me why you opted this elective. Yes, Akash,
Yes, ma'am.
why you opted this subject?
Ma'am, storage area network, I had to like prepare for myself, ma'am. So
Why
user
you have to
interface.
prepare? Ma'am is there, no? To explain. So you don't worry about that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Pavan, Pavan. Yes, students, I don't want just log into this class and keep your mobile somewhere and you do your work at home. I don't want that type of participation. Whatever the question I ask, please respond. Are you there, Pavan?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you opted this subject, this elective?
Yes. Ma'am, I thought this subject was easy compared to that.
Easily you can pass. Okay. Nayana?
Yes,
Nayana?
ma'am.
Why
Yes,
you
ma'am.
opted this subject? Why you opted this elective?
Interested subject, ma'am.
Interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? How?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Storage
What?
area network is something but networking concept it. So
Did you see the syllabus? How
no,
many
ma'am.
of you opt without seeing the syllabus? How can you say this is this subject and that is that subject? Huh? Their network will be more, and here networks will not be more. Hmm? Yes, students, tell me how many of you opted this elective without seeing the syllabus, please. Manjunath. Yes, Manjunath, without seeing the syllabus, you selected this?
Yes, ma'am.
Maithili. Maithili.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why without
Ma'am,
seeing?
actually in second sem we didn't study that computer networks, ma'am. So I think the storage area networks will be advanced for that. So I opted this subject,
Okay.
ma'am.
See, students, I am not telling because I am handling this subject. See, whatever the electives you take, either in the second semester, third semester, fourth, whichever the semester, please go through the syllabus. You see what are the contents are there, whether it will be useful to the industry. Ultimately, at the end of the day, your aim is to go to industry and work as a test engineer or developer or somewhere in the IT. Correct, no? At the end of the day, you'll be in the IT. So that's why you have come for PG, MCA program. So before you select any elective, please see the syllabus. What is the content and what is the outcome of that syllabus? What is the outcome of that subject? So blindly don't opt any subject. Okay? Yes, students, what I'm telling, are you understanding what I'm not telling because of my subject, whichever may be the subject, please first go through the syllabus. See, without knowing this, without knowing the what are the advantages of this elective, how you can select this? So now here I don't want to talk about SAN. I'll talk only about my subject. Okay. I welcome all of you for selecting for my subject. I will welcome all of you. And this subject is very useful, students. If you have not seen this syllabus, I'll share my screen and I will show you the syllabus. And students, one more question I asked. What is UIT? What is interface? What is interface? What is interface? Nobody knows the answer?
Ma'am, interaction.
Interaction. Any other answer? See, interface is nothing but it is a communication medium between the system and the user. Its interface is nothing but a communication medium between the system and the user. Through that interface only you can communicate with the system. See, being a user, I as a user, how I can communicate with the system? If I switch on my computer or if I switch on my laptop, then what I'll do? Either I can Google or I can create some document. Correct, no? Using Word, using MS Office, I can create either PPT or Excel or Word document, or either I can browse. Or if I have any software installed which is helpful to my class or to my research or to my any of the project work, I'll do work in that. Correct, no? So that is nothing but the interface, right? So without interface, how you can communicate with the system? If you switch on the computer, so just a window, just the home screen will be there. The home page will be there. So can you do any action there? No, unless and until if you open any interface, you cannot perform. You cannot do any action. So using this using this interface, you can communicate with the system. Here we are going to learn the principles to design the user interface. This is very important subject, students. Ultimately, just now I was telling that at the end of the day, you are going to become a developer, or you are going to work somewhere in the IT company. So there, this interface is very important. Learning of this principles of user interface is very important. So this is a syllabus. Once you can go through this. See, the first is the introduction. In the module 1, you have introduction to this subject. I mean, the interface, usability of the interactive system. That is introduction, usability, goal. What are the goals of the interface? What are the motivations of the interface? So what made you to develop a attractive or a creative interface? So motivations for the usability of the interface, and goals for your profession, and some of the guidelines. And in the second module, you are going to learn development process, evaluating the interface. Yes, student, just creating a interface is not your job. You have to evaluate whether this interface is useful or not. How you can evaluate? By the observation, by the usage. So you see, I have developed the interface, so I will tell that my interface is working perfectly, it is user friendly. Correct, no? So when external person come and review your project, only then you will come to know what are the drawbacks of our project. Correct, no, students? Yes, when external person come and review, that's why every time we take a feedback. When you take a dress also, you ask your friends. Correct, no? How it is. When you take a new phone, you ask your friends how it is. Or before taking a new phone, or before taking any new item, you ask your friends what is how we, or you will go nowadays with no need to ask any friends or relatives. In the internet only you will get, if you can see the reviews, feedbacks. Yes, how? See, there used people will give the feedback. So based on the feedback, you can select. So here also in the interface also, after that development, the expert committee will review your interface. Yes, students, expert committee will review your interface, and by the observation, by the expert review. So with a legal opinion, so we can judge or we can evaluate our interface. And this is very important, that is interaction style. The interaction style may be the drop down menu, how you are going to represent in the web, in your interface, the color combination. Yes, if the background is very dim, if the background is white, if you give the font color or the menu color light pink, will it be comfortable to the user, students? Yes, will it be comfortable? Respond, no? At least this is the first class. In the first class, you respond. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students, I am getting doubt whether you people are listening, or is it boring? Or are you understanding or not? The main question is, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then please respond, no? So when you develop an interface, these things are very important. The background color, the foreground color, and how the dialog box should be, and how the, suppose if you are introducing any 3D effects, 3D images, or the menu, how the menu should be, the drop down list. Again, in the drop down list, you may have some more subsection of that drop down list. So everything should be properly aligned and properly included in the, wherever it is necessary, in all the places it should be included properly. So the command and natural language and design issues, the command and the abbreviations. See, before coming to the 5th semester, if I tell you, or before learning this subject, if I tell you UID, if I ask you any, do you know about UID, then what you will tell me? Because this abbreviation is new to you. The short form is new to you, no? you don't know the full form of what is UID or PUID. Correct? Generally, we call this as a UID, that is user interface design. The subject title is PUID. So don't if you are new to this subject, they may think the UID and PUID both are different. But I am handling this subject. If you ask me what is there any difference between UID and PUID, then confidently I can tell that no, both are same. So in the design interface, before including any abbreviations, somewhere in the website you have to, or somewhere in your interface, you have to give a full form of that short form, that is for PUID. Somewhere you have to give what is the full form of PUID. So all these things are very much important, students. And the quality is very important. A timely response. The timely response is very important, students. When you click on the submit button, after 5 minutes, if the data is storing into the database, then what is the use? Nowadays, nobody has patience of waiting 5 minutes to store the data to the database. We want the response should be in the fraction of seconds. Correct? Yes, students, the responsive time is very important. And the last module, the 5th module, is user document and online help, information search and visualization. Yes, whichever may be the website you visit, in the interface, definitely this helpline will be there. Correct? No, because first time if they are using that website, or while using that website or that interface, if they have any problem, then proper immediate help should be there. Online help should be there. So that you have to provide, and user documentation. I don't know. I don't know how to use .NET. Yes, students, I don't have any information about .NET. So nobody is there to tell me or teach me how to work with a .NET or how to execute a program in .NET. Nobody is there. But if you provide being a developer, if you provide a proper user documentation to your clients or to your customers or to the users who are going to use your interface, then it will be helpful. Yes, helpful or not? No, there is no use. There is no use, students. There is no use of documentation. Yes, Ambrish, are you there? Yes, students, when I call your name in between, you have to respond. If you don't respond, then definitely I'll mark absent. Ambrish, are you sleeping, Ambrish?
Yes, ma'am.
Sleeping,
No, ma'am, I am listening.
Yes, ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದೇ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೋನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸಡನ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರೇ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. Yes, students. So this is all about my subject, that is principles of user interface design. This subject is very helpful when you go to the industry. Yes, you only tell me. No need to. Don't accept that from me. So by seeing the syllabus, you tell me whether it will be useful or not. Yes, don't think that I have not studied networks in lower semester, so now it is difficult for me to learn SAN. So see the syllabus. See the syllabus and you decide whether this subject is useful or not. Madam, useful anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, so this is useful. Don't tell like that. You go through the syllabus. See the see the introduction about the user interface design, the goals of the and the usability of the interface, the motivation. Yes, students, are you developing an interface only for your software projects, like what we Like generally what we tell, online reservation or online hotel management, online examination. Are we developing only in the only in case of reservation or education, only these fields, or in other fields also we are developing an interface? Yes, is my question is clear, students? Are we developing an interface only for the education system, or in other system also, in other or in only in the traveling and education, or do we have to develop a interface in other field also?
Other fields also, ma'am.
Which are those fields?
Banking,
Yes.
Shopping, ma'am.
Shopping, yes. Banking and shopping, only those two?
Ma'am, all online portals, ma'am.
All online
All
portals,
applications, ma'am. All mobile apps.
all mobile apps. And are we developing an interface for military system? Yes. Don't think so much. Yes. Are we developing a interface for pilots? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? So this, why I'm asking these questions, students, is the don't think that the usage of the interface is just only in your software company. See, in wild area, in worldwide, we are using this. But the criteria will be different. The design criteria will be different. Correct, no? The design criteria will be different. If you take an example of your education institute or the banking system or the transportation, there you may have to create first a registration form. Correct, no? Registration form, or the other the next functionality which you are going to perform. But if you take an example of pilot or military system, there registration system will not be there. It will be related to the job what they do. The pilot, before they land, they have to search for the space. Correct, no? Sometimes if they don't have a space to land the flight, then around 5-10 minutes or around half an hour, simply they'll be roaming. So unless and until they get a clearance, so they don't so that everything nowadays, everything that will be built in the software only. So for that also we have to develop a interface. Is it right? Nowadays usage of computer is everywhere. When the usage of computer comes, then definitely there we need a interface. But depending on the place, depending on the aim of that interface, the design will vary. The functionalities will vary. Yes, student, do you agree with me? Yes, am I correct? Or do you have any other options, opinion? Yes, you can speak out. You can tell, no, ma'am, whatever you are telling, it is wrong. Only in this field only we are using interface like that. If your opinion is like that, you can share. It is open for all. Yes, students, this is all about the syllabus. I have given the introduction of 5 modules, introduction of the subject. In this subject, 5 modules are there. So in each module, what you are going to learn, that I have given the summary of the each module. Now coming to the COs. What is CO? Now you are in 5th semester. You tell me what is CO? Have you satisfied the COs of previous semesters? Definitely yes. Yes, students, tell me what is COs. What is CO? CO is nothing but, please students, I don't want one way of communication. Please respond. Out of 32 students, 32 ne alva? Haan, yes. 31 answer. No, 30. Out of 30 students, at least 1 or 2 can respond, no?
Course outcomes, ma'am.
Course outcomes. What is the use of the are you see, this course outcome is means, or this course outcome is nothing but at the end of this semester, or after learning this subject, whether the students are able to do this or not. See, the last semester subject, the principles of user this professional communication and report writing. So there, what you learned in the first module, the communication, how the communication should be. I gave you so many examples. The communication in the vegetable shop, or the communication in the grocery shop, and how the competition will be, how the business competition will be, whether you are able to learn about the business concepts. Yes, and whether you are able to learn about the documentation. There in that subject, you learn the preparation of resume, preparation of memos, and what is how the resume should be, and the leadership qualities, how the leadership qualities, the carrot and stick, the stick and the carrot function, methodology. What is stick and carrot? Yes, what is stick and carrot? Forgot. Okay. So COs of this subject, the first CO is use the new technology that provides interactive device and interface. So students will be able to develop and learn and use a new technology that provides a interactive device and interface. So, once you learn this subject, see here in this subject, you are going to learn how the expert committee will review your interface, how the natural language are used in the interface, and how the how we have to give the abbreviations, and how do you have to design the menus, color combination, the display. All about the display you are going to learn here. So yes, once the student learn this subject, they'll be able to provide a interactive device and interface, apply the procedure and evaluate UID. Yes, apply here in the second module. We are going to learn if any legal issues are there. If any legal issues are there, so if any legal issues come, then how we have to handle that legal issues, and the how the expert committee will review your interface, and based on their review, how you can proceed, and how you can process, and how you can develop a interface that you are going to learn here. Apply the process and evaluate the UID, means user interface design. Understand direct manipulation and virtual environment, how the virtual environment and the direct manipulation. Direct manipulation in virtual environment means what, students? Yes. Don't know. See, before COVID, direct contact was there within the student used to come to the department, and direct communication used to happen. But after COVID, many of the classes we have taken virtually, the virtual environment. Correct, no? So here we are going to learn the direct communication, how the direct communication will be, and how the virtual communication will be. The understand direct and virtual environment. Discuss the command, natural language, and issues in design for maintaining QoS. What is QoS? What is QoS? Any answer? Quality of service. So here in the fourth module, we are going to learn what are the quality of service, how the quality of the service we are going to provide. Yes, students, when you go to restaurant also in Bangalore, we don't have a single restaurant. We have many restaurants, correct? No? So all the restaurant will be full rush? No. Where they provide a good quality, correct? Nowadays everybody have money, so people are not thinking about the money. They want hygiene and quality, correct? No, especially after this COVID, nobody wants to take any risk. They want a hygienic and quality food. So not only in the restaurant, in the design interface also, the user wants a quality service. Just now I told that. So when you click on the submit button, if it takes 5 minutes, or the other interface, when you click on the submit button, if it is taking fraction of seconds, and to which you will go, definitely you'll go with the speed, the responsive time. Where the responsive time will be less, there we go, correct? No? Next, procedure, user documentation and information search. When you develop a interface, I told you that if a user or if the customer doesn't know how to use this interface, then if you provide a proper documentation, step-by-step documentation, how you are going to use that particular interface, if you provide a proper documentation and search option. If you don't when you develop any interface, students, a search option is must. You have to include a search option. So all these things, all these 5 are the course outcomes of this subject. Yes, students, this is all about my subject. And one more thing, that is course learning objective. What is the objective of this course learning? So demonstrate the knowledge of theory and guidelines of designing the user interface. The objective of this subject is to know the guidelines, to know the theories and guidelines to design the interface, familiarize the need of interactive design principles and their patterns, explore the various interaction styles of user interfaces, analyze the user interface from both communication perspective and historical perspective. So these are all the learning objective of this subject. So this is all about my subject, students. So from tomorrow, I mean from next class onwards, I will begin with the syllabus. Yes, students, and from Monday you have to come for the offline classes, regular offline classes. I think timetable is shared with you. Do you have the timetable, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if not, then today in the group I will share the 5th semester timetable. You may get a confusion between the offline class and online class, so that's why I have not shared in the group. But today end of today before 4:30, definitely I'm going to share the timetable for the offline class. Yes, students, any confusion here? Anybody have still any confusion? Still you're in a dilemma to select which? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? Or anybody want to switch over to SAN? By Monday you can today only you have to decide, and today Monday's class you can tell us that whether you want to be in the UID or you want to switch to SAN. Yes, students, answer your attendance. 3,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Ma'am, 4.
4 ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, 4 ನನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? So, ಅಂಬರೀಶ್ USN ಹೇಳು ಅಂಬರೀಶ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 04.
Okay. Oh, 5.
Present, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
8.
Present, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present, ma'am.
11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
21. 21. 25.
Yes, ma'am.
26. 26. Anisha.
Present, ma'am.
27. Present. Okay. 27.
Yes, ma'am.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್?
Yes, ma'am. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ. ಮೈಥಿಲಿ.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Nayana.
ನಯನ ನನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಯನ ನನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
USN ಹೇಳು.
1BY 19 MCA 28, ma'am.
28.
Ma'am, Nishant.
28. ನಿಶಾಂತ್ ನೀನು USN?
Ma'am, BY 30, ma'am.
BY 30. Maithili.
Present, ma'am.
Maithili, you got the summary of the subject, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka.
Present, ma'am.
Pavan.
Present, ma'am.
Akash.
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari.
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh. Rashmi.
Ma'am,
Rashmi.
present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Vishal.
Present, ma'am. Rizwan.
Rizwan, ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ USN ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
TD12.
ನಯನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಶಾಂತ್ BY ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ. ಸವಿತಾ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಕೃತಿ.
Present, ma'am.
ನೇಹಾ. ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ.
Ma'am, Spurti.
Yes, tell me your USN. TD.
18, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, if you forgot to fill the form, we have sent the names to sir, ma'am.
When?
So that's why we got missed, I guess.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's why till Monday we have given the time. If here from UID, if anybody want to switch to SAN also, it is allowed only till Monday. By Monday you have to tell us. Srinidhi. Vaishnavi.
Present, ma'am.
Vinny.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, students, I forgot to tell you this book. The prescribed book is, students. One, share screen. Ravi Shankar, your name is not there in the list, and you did. Ravi Shankar, I think you got confused and you joined here. Ravi Shankar, can you hear me, Ravi Shankar? Or you left? Yes, Ravi Shankar. You want to switch to UID? Because your name is there in the SAN. Yes, students, the prescribed book is, you have only one book, that is Ben Shen-Derman. So this is the 5th edition. 5th edition book is there. It is there. It is available in the library. You can take that book. This is a prescribed book, and we have so many reference books. So this book is enough, students, prescribed. Yes, students, anything else you want to ask about the subject? Yes, Ravi Shankar, can you hear me? Yes, students, here anybody's name I have not taken in the attendance, please tell me, because those names are there in the list, elective list. Only their name I called for the attendance. Ravi Shankar is there. So already Ambrish, Nishant, Nayana, Spurti, Rizwan, they told they want to shift to, they told their elective is UID. But Ravi Shankar, yes, Ravi Shankar, are you listening or not? I think he has just logged in and he kept his phone, and he did not see the message in the group also, I think. Whatever the link I have shared, with that link he joined. He did not bother about the elective also, whether it is a SAN elective class or whether it is a UID. See, if we take online class, this is the response we are getting from the students. See, we are not losers, students. You will be the losers. See, when you're attending, you at least you listen what we are talking. See how he is not responding, means he is not listening what I'm talking. If he is listening, if he has any mic issue, at least he would have sent me any message in the chat box. Now he left. Okay, students, I'll stop here. See you on Monday.